Delta-Cast Soft is a semi-rigid polyester cast tape for the functional immobilization in the treatment of fractures and soft tissue injuries when limited movement is allowed, for indications where immobilization or stabilization of the ankle joint is required. Due to the semi-rigid properties of the Delta-Cast Soft, only minimal padding with a thin stockinette is required and allows a snug fit. If the patient has prominent bony areas, extra padding may be required. Define position of limb before start of application. Ankle flex to 90 degrees and the foot in neutral inversion or eversion. Choose appropriate width of Delta-Net stockinette that will fit snugly but doesn't constrict the patient's leg. Measure the length from knee to toes, add double the foot length and cut. Roll up stockinette before applying on limb to overcome sliding pressure during application. Roll off over the leg and remove all wrinkles and creases and tuck in stockinette by the toes. Put on protective gloves before applying cast tape. To prepare an optional reinforcement strip with a rigid cast tape, measure the length for a U-shaped splint from the lateral side around the sole of the foot to the medial side. Layer 3 times, cut and put aside. If stronger reinforcement is required, increase the number of layers. Select appropriate width of cast tape depending on the size of the limb. Activate Delta-Cast Soft by squeezing it once in and gently outside water to drain surplus water out of the bandage. Start wrapping cast at metatarsals twice and work towards ankle with 70% overlap. Go around the ankle and lock in talus. Continue with 50% overlap towards knee. Smooth down cast tape. Fold over stockinette at the proximal and distal end of the cast for protection of the skin and soft edges, removing any excess stockinette. Apply activated reinforcement strip from the lateral side around the sole of the foot to the medial side, overlapping the ends of the strip on the anterior of the lower leg. Smooth down. Take second roll of cast tape, apply as before, and cut. Mold cast with the palm of your hands and check for desired range of motion and any points that may cause irritation or pressure points. Delta-Cast Soft by BSM Medical.